PRITHVI, Brahmos, SHAURYA. These were some of the tests that were conducted in the past 2 months. In the past 2 months, India tested 11 missiles, and these come at a time when India is involved in a standoff with China. In this video, we will talk about various launches, launch dates, and we'll also try to decode the reason that why so many tests were conducted in a span of 2 months. September 7. India on September 7 successfully tested its HSTDV platform, which is an essential component of hypersonic missile. This test was carried out off the coast of Odisha. India on September 22 tested its ABHYAS target drone, which is used as a target for evaluation of missiles accuracy. India on September 23rd test fired its laser-guided ATGM from Tank X at Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. This test was performed against a target vehicle equipped with explosive reactive armor. The same day, India's Strategic Force Command test fired PRITHVI 2 off the coast of Balasore, Odisha. PRITHVI 2 is a nuclear-capable surface-to-surface missile that used an inertial guidance system for maneuvering along the trajectory and to hit the target precisely. India on September 30 tested its 500 km range Brahmos supersonic cruise missile from ground-based facility in Odisha. India on October 1 again tested its indigenous laser-guided ATGM from an operational Arjun main battle tank in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. India on October 3 tested its SHAURYA missile, which is a nuclear-capable missile off the coast of Odisha.
The dangerous groups that we're dealing with now.
India on October 5 successfully tested its indigenously developed smart torpedo system for anti-submarine warfare. It will be a game changer for Indian Navy, as Indian naval ships can hit their target with pinpoint accuracy. India on October 10 tested its RUDRAM 1, which is India's first indigenously built anti-radiation missile, which can take down any ground radar. India on October 18 most probably tested 500 km range Brahmos from INS Chennai, which according to sources is the naval variant of the Brahmos, which was tested on September 30. India has successfully tested standoff anti-tank guided missile, also known as SANT, off the coast of Odisha. It is a anti-tank guided missile that has a range of 15 to 20 kilometers. India on October 22nd successfully test fired its third generation anti-tank guided missile, also known as NAG, at Pokhran range in Rajasthan today. The missile was integrated with an actual warhead and a tank target was kept at some distance. The missile was launched from a NAG missile carrier, also known as Namika, and it hit the target very accurately and defeated the dummy tank's armor. Many people have argued that these tests are conducted due to the upcoming Bihar elections and not Indo-China standoff. But if we closely look into the past, one can easily get to know the reason why so many tests were performed in a short period of 2 months. Since March 2020, lockdown was implemented all over the country and scientists were not able to assess the missile tests that were scheduled for fixed dates. Hence, these tests were postponed, but as soon as the lockdown was eased, scientists were called and the tests were again initiated. Hence, this is the reason why so many tests were conducted in 2 months post-lockdown. This has nothing to do with Indo-China standoff nor Bihar elections. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.